Waqas Munir, Numanul Haq, Farhan Asghar, Fazal Abbas, Muhammad Asif Nadeem, you have to call the speaker again. Zainab Mubarak, Muhammad Imran Shahid, Aruj Ashraf, Aruj Ashraf, well, these were our graduates for the year 2008, 9 and 10. Now I would like to call Mr. Adnan Afaq again to kindly have a few words.
I think I've already spoken, so maybe we can have dinner now. How's that? Is that time for dinner? Okay. Well, best of luck. It's really a very joyous occasion. So that's all, All right, take care.
Medals to our graduates. Senator Ishaq Dar. President ICAP and Vice President North are requested to accompany him again. Okay. Mohammad Ehsan Salim, awarded Kaspati Memorial Gold Medal for his outstanding performance in Module C and D of intermediate examinations. Mohammad Uzair Hashmi, awarded ICAP Gold Medal, Amina Khatib Foundation, for his outstanding performance in the subject of financial accounting of intermediate examinations. Do we have Muhammad Naeem here? Okay. Muhammad Naeem has been awarded Merit Certificate for his outstanding performance in the subject of Mercantile Law of Foundation Examinations. Is Muhammad Ehsan Nadeem here? Okay. Muhammad Ehsan Nadeem, okay, that's another one for you, Ehsan, awarded Merit Certificate for his outstanding performance in the subject of cost accounting of intermediate examinations. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I just heard our chief guest saying that he was awarded 2 gold medals. So let's have another round of applause for him. Rana Zohaib Ali, are you here, Rana Zohaib? Okay. Awarded Merit Certificate for his outstanding performance in the subject of Introduction to Economics and Finance of Foundation Examinations. Rana Zohaib. I think we deserve a more generous applause. You know, merit certificates and gold medals deserve a big hand. A lot of hard work goes into merit certificates and gold medals. Education and behavioral studies of intermediate examinations. Muhammad Bilal Chaudhry. Finally, a female. Kinza Bashir, awarded Merit Certificate. Are you here, Kinza? Muhammad Uzair Hashmi, awarded Merit Certificate for his outstanding performance in the subject of financial accounting of intermediate examinations. Sikandar Iqbal, awarded Merit Certificate for his outstanding performance in the subject of taxation of intermediate examination. Muhammad Kazim, awarded Merit Certificate for his outstanding performance in the subject of auditing of intermediate examinations. We are done with the merit certificates and gold medals, and now I'd like to thank Hafiz Muhammad Yusuf and Sheikh Saqib Masood for being with us on stage for a long time, coming and going, and we would also request our chief guest, Senator Ishaq Dar, to say a few words to our audience. We have been impatiently waiting for you to talk to us. Thank you.
Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan, Honorable Vice President, North Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan, learned guest, fellow Chartered Accountant Mr. Gordon, Council Member from the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, former members of the Council, Honorable members of the profession, young qualified ladies, girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, a very good evening. It's indeed a great privilege for me to be here this evening. It's my own institute. I'm back at home, and it gives me a great pleasure to see that how many, mashallah, in the year 2008, 9 and 10 have entered in this new honorable profession. I extend from the core of my heart best felicitation to them and to their proud parents and relatives. Indeed, it is a great challenging profession. We all know how hard it is to pursue this profession, starting from the articleship to training and the exams. But at the end of the day, to qualify, I think one feels justified that all that hard work and labor done was a great worthwhile effort. And please keep in mind one thing, that today is a new beginning for those who have qualified. It is not end of your degree or your qualification. It is a beginning of a new challenge in your professional life. Those countries where professionals are overwhelmingly involved in their national in their national, all policies, whether be it monetary, fiscal, executive, other parts of life, they perform much better than the third ward has been performing. I know of a fact that few years back, I'm not privy of the current number, but few years back, the members from the English Institute, they numbered about 23 in the House of Commons. Now, if you have greater number of professionals like doctors, engineers, chartered accountants, to serve the national cause and national interest, I am sure the outcome is always much better. So, let me give you my few ideas that now you're starting your new profession. I think you must have a clear roadmap that you are going to work to the best of your honesty, to follow the principles of transparency. It becomes very difficult, particularly for those who are in profession. There are a number of occasions where one has great pressure, but you must give your honest professional opinion with the complete honesty, because this is what you owe to this profession. And if you pursue the rules and the principles of honesty, transparency, and best practices, together with that you continue to have the improvement in your education, what we call continued professional education, CPE, I think you would land, mashallah, one day maybe there will be many more Ishaq Dar this country need. So I can assure you that we represent you, we are your ambassadors. I and many more of your colleagues have been serving in the government or in the public sector. Abdullah Yusuf Sahab